You can also use these funnels as well. So funnel 1 includes with a LiveGood funnel that you can use to promote your LiveGood business. This is another funnel that you can get if you want to promote LiveGood. So a nice little LiveGood funnel that you can get, okay, and get the share code for that. So I highly recommend it. This is giving me a huge amount of commissions in various platforms, and it makes sense. I mean, this is the version I created, because this is, you know, I purchased the share code and I went in and just simply edited it using the simple drag and drop editor in Leadsleep. Put my own links in there, so you know when they click here, they go to my lead gen secret, but you can put in whatever you want. Such as Leadsleep or whatever. Second button goes to multiple income funnel, but that's just on. This is just actually technically the capture page, you know. And then when they, you know, there's urgency to get opted in right here, because let me show you how you can get the funnel like this. That really pushes people. This is the step 3. You know, they want to get on the inside so they can learn how to get the funnel like that. So then they get Leadsleep, they get My Lead Gen Secret, multiple income funnel, traffic zest,